So now let's see how we can work around with the site logo block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the site logo block, you need to go around in between two blocks right here and then click on the plus button. And then over here you need to go ahead and type in site logo. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see the site logo block right here. So you can simply click and you can see the logo actually appears. If you don't see this particular logo right here, you can simply go ahead onto the media section from the settings right here and then click on it and then simply upload out your own media, or you can choose an image right here just like this and the logo will be inserted accordingly. You can go ahead and resize this out right here into a certain extent. So now you can go ahead and align it onto different sections right here just like this as well. You can also go ahead and then, let's say for example, work around with the crop right here as you want as well. So now over here on the properties, you can also link this to the home right here, use it as a site icon and let the logo right here open the main home page in the home tab as well. You can change around the image width by clicking and dragging this slider as well. And apart from that, you can go around over here on the right hand side and apply filters and apply dimensions right here just like this, like padding just like this, and then you can also go around and add in margins right here just like this as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can also go around and apply two color tone effect as you want and change it out into a rounded look just like this as well. So this is what you have, and if I were to go ahead and save this right here just like this, I can go ahead and view the post, let's say for example, and then I can see the site logo right here. If I were to go ahead and click, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and open up the home page as we set it out. So that is how you can utilize the site logo block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.